Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the host and the guest are ready. Update VMware Workstation and NIC drivers so networking behaves predictably. Once done, power off the VM if it's running and install VMware tools inside the guest to ensure proper adapter drivers. Make a decision now between bridged, NAT, or host only based on whether you need external access, isolated test networks, or host-only communication. This choice shapes the next configuration steps, so pick the correct topology before proceeding. You now configure adapters inside VMware Workstation. Go to the VM settings, select Network Adapter, choose Bridged, NAT, or Host Only, and enable Connect at Power On. If you pick Bridged, explicitly map the VM to the host NIC to avoid the wrong interface. If you pick NAT, inspect VNet 8 settings for DHCP and add port forwarding for services. Then open Host Network Manager to create or tweak VNets. Set subnets and DHCP ranges. This ensures stable IP assignment, and you finish by booting the VM and confirming network settings inside the guest. Check IP, gateway, and DNS with ipconfig or ifconfig so you know whether DHCP worked. Then test connectivity. Ping the gateway, the host, and an external IP to isolate issues, make firewall adjustments, or add port forwarding as needed. If things still fail, a key troubleshooting tip: restart VMware services and the host network manager. Reassign the VNet to a different adapter, and reboot the host to clear lingering virtualization network conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.